Hey guys, it's Queenie here. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, make sure you hit the subscribe button down below. It's free. We don't need your credit card information. You just click it and you're good to go. And if you're already subscribed, thank you for coming back and hanging out with me again today. And if you're not subscribed and you're back, you might as well click it. Might as well. So today, as you guys can see from the title, I'm going to be showing you some quick box braids. I am very nervous about this video. I'll be real. I have never really thought I would be here trying on a box braid wig because I thought, would it look realistic? Would it look natural? Should I just do it to my own hair? But as you guys know, I hate braiding my hair with synthetic fibers. Like, I just can't do it. I just hate the feeling of synthetic hair rubbing against my hair into a braid. I feel like it dries it out, and it's not my favorite protective style, but I love the look. So when this company reached out to me to try this wig, I was like, you know what, as skeptical as I am, let me try it, because if I love the look, it'll solve all my problems, and I would love to be able to wear braids again. So let's try this and see how legit this is. I am kind of surprised at the, what's the word, like the realisticness of the wig already. So let me just show you guys quickly. The hair is from a company called Neatandsleek, and on their website they have so many different braided styles, and after seeing this wig, I might have to go back and get some more because they look amazing. They have different cuts, lengths, shapes, and sizes and colors. Like, they have so many different things, and the quality of this so far, I'm like, this might be a move. I never ever thought I'd be wearing a braided wig. So yeah, let's try this. Okay, so here is the wig. Can you believe this? These braids are perfect. So when it came in the package, it was a little bit like bent up because it was sitting in a package for some time, so it was a little bit not looking so smooth, but I let it sit for a bit on its own and it straightened out nicely, and it is full lace. So this wig is complete lace. Look how beautiful that is. And this is the front hairline, so it has a little baby hair braid going on, so you can take that out and stylize them yourself. All right, so we're trying this for the first time together, so let's see how this looks. I really hope I find some kind of love in this, because if I could wear braids again, that would be amazing, because nobody's trying to braid, nobody's trying to do some braids with human hair for myself. So okay, so it looks like this is a regular lace wig braided with braiding hair. So you can see that. Let's put this on. Wow. Oh, the lace. I just got goosebumps. Okay. Holy crap, guys. The lace color is perfect. So for my dark skin girls, they really did a good job. Wow. I always have the problem of having lace look super ashy on my skin, but this is beautiful. Oh my goodness. Do you guys see how real this looks? Wow. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut this. I'm just gonna cut from here first. Also on the back of this wig, it has this adjustable band, so that helps a lot. I got the size medium because I got a big old head and they didn't have large, so this is definitely big enough for me. Okay, so I'm gonna go in with my Got to Be Free spray. Ooh, jeez. All right, so the wig is secured for the most part. I finally got it to be secured all the way from here to here, all around. So now I'm just gonna take out this little braid so I can work with the baby hairs and see how that is. Okay, so this is a lot of hair. So I'm gonna have to trim this, of course. It's not too dense though, so that's good. So I'm just gonna cut this because I don't need that much hair whatsoever. And I'm also going to pluck some of these hairs because I look crazy. Okay, so I'm gonna leave it how it is for now, and then I'm gonna start styling the edges to see how much I need to remove. Just putting some edge control. Alright, so it took me some time to get the baby hairs to how I want them, and now I'm just going to work on blending this actual lace part because it's a little bit bright here. Okay, so as you guys can see, this is what the hair looks like. It is full, and it's not too heavy though because it's not super full to the ends. Alright, so I think this is the final look of this hair. I think my fear of these wigs is gone because this looks amazing. Obviously, I personally have decided to not show too much of the front. I don't know, I think in a few days when I get more used to the lace, I'll pull it up into different half up, half styles, flip styles, and all that. But first of all, they mastered the color of this lace. I need to work on securing it in a way that looks more flawless because I'm not the best at it, honestly. And then I'll probably take out some more baby hairs and make it look a little bit less swoopity, but of course that's there for people who want to use that. And yeah, this is great. I love the size of the braids, I love the length of the braids, and I love the lace. So wow, okay, I am very surprised. This is really cool. Wow, so this is basically it. I will leave more details down below so you guys can check it out. Like I mentioned, the pricing is pretty reasonable compared to what you would be paying if you are getting your hair braided professionally. It can be like anywhere from $100 and up, $80 if you're lucky, but if you're buying the hair, it always adds up to be around $100 something, and for $260 you can get this forever. So I feel like personally this is a better bang for your buck. Okay, I'm feeling myself. This is gonna be my new look for the weekend. This is cute. This is very cute. Let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. If you were feeling the braided wigs, if you were not feeling it and now you're feeling it, what do you think about this? I feel like this is insanely good. Alright, so that is it for this try on video. Let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. I am definitely impressed with this wig. I think this is a great alternative for people who have alopecia as well. Like, the quality of this is something that will really help people who suffer from hair loss, and it will give you this look so easily. And if you don't and you just prefer to do this like me, this is also a great option. And it's also really great for people who cannot stand to sit down and get their hair braided. There's just so many pluses to this wig, and I'm so happy that they put in the time to make it actually decent and realistic enough to wear, because it is not easy to wear braids and it's not easy to create a braided wig. So follow me on Instagram if you haven't already, and you can stay updated on this hair and any other things that I do with my hair in general. And that's just a good way for me to connect with you guys. It's a little bit easier. So I'm feeling myself. I'm definitely going to keep this on and wear it throughout the weekend and practice with the lace a bit more. And yeah, girl, this is natural girl approved for me because it looks good. It looks really good. This will be great for winter, so then you don't feel the cold breeze running through your scalp when you get braids. If you know, you know. This is actually a game changer. So I'm very happy with this. Thumbs up, turn on the notification bell if you haven't already, so you don't miss any more videos from me, and I will see you beautiful people in the next one. Bye.